Title: 5-minute crash course, Learn Digital Marketing Basics. Video description: Are you interested in learning digital marketing but feeling overwhelmed by the amount of information out there? Look no further. In this 5-minute crash course, we will cover the basics of digital marketing, including the types of digital marketing, commonly used channels, and best practices for success. This video is perfect for beginners or anyone looking to refresh their knowledge on digital marketing. In this video, we will cover the essentials of digital marketing, so you can start building digital marketing campaigns with confidence in no time. Body. Types of digital marketing. Digital marketing can be divided into several types, including email marketing, social media marketing, search engine marketing, SEM, and content marketing. Commonly used digital marketing channels. Each type of digital marketing can be implemented through different channels. Email marketing can be executed through newsletters, promotional emails, or email campaigns. Social media marketing can be executed through various popular social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. SEM is done through search engines like Google and Bing, and content marketing is executed through blog posts, infographics, ebooks, and more. Digital marketing best practices. To succeed in digital marketing, some best practices should always be kept in mind. Firstly, it is essential to define your target audience to provide personalized content. Secondly, optimize your website for search engines to increase traffic and visibility. Thirdly, use social media to your advantage to engage with your customers. Lastly, track and analyze your campaigns to evaluate their effectiveness and adjust your strategies accordingly. Conclusion. That concludes our 5-minute crash course on digital marketing basics. We hope this video was helpful to you in your journey to learn digital marketing. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Voiceover. Welcome to the 5-minute crash course, Learn Digital Marketing Basics. In this video, we will cover the essentials of digital marketing, including the types of digital marketing, commonly used channels, and best practices for success. Digital marketing can seem daunting, but with this crash course, you'll have the knowledge you need to start promoting your brand online. Let's begin.